I had an amazing time at another ASAP workshop, and it's called Cell Phone Photography. This workshop was held in beautiful Balboa Park. Franny and her assistant Ryan, they guided us on an amazing journey of discovery. A visit to the Rose Garden. The instructor had suggested at one point, take a photograph from the flower's perspective. Before this course, when taking photographs, I just point and shoot, not noticing all the features that were available. This class, it was not only fun, but educational.